In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's custom rule builder. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create automated rules that enhance your workflow and efficiency in Asana. Automation can take away some of the tedious aspects of project management, ensuring tasks move seamlessly through your processes without constant manual input. Let's dive into the setup. First, open www.asana.com in your browser. Log into your account if you already have one. If you're new to Asana, you can get started by clicking on Get Started or select Try for free to create an account. Once you're in, you'll need to access your dashboard where all your projects live. Now let's access the Rules feature. Navigate to the project you want to automate within Asana. You'll see a Customize button located in the top right corner of your project page. Click on it to open up a menu filled with options to customize your project settings. Scroll down this menu until you find the Rules section. Here you'll click on Add Rule to start creating your automation. When you're ready to create a custom rule, Asana offers two options: choosing from preset rules or creating your own custom rule tailored to your needs. Preset rules are helpful for common automation, such as automatically assigning a task when it is moved to a specific section, saving you time on repetitive actions. However, if your project requires something more tailored, go ahead and click on Create Custom Rule to set up rules that specifically fit your workflow. Next up is setting up your rule. To do that, you need to define the trigger or the event that will initiate the automation. For example, you might set a trigger like task moves to a section. Once you've chosen your trigger, the next step is to choose an action, which is the result that follows the trigger. A common action could be assign the task to a specific person, ensuring the next step in your project gets taken care of promptly. If your workflow demands more precision, you can even add multiple conditions to further refine when and how the rule will run. With your trigger and action set, the final step is to save and activate your rule. Simply click on Create Rule and you're done. Your new rule is now active, ready to take over some of the repetitive tasks and keep everything in your project on track based on the conditions you've specified. And there you have it. You've just built a custom rule in Asana that will help you automate some of your tasks, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your projects. This small but powerful feature can significantly improve your team's productivity by letting the software handle routine tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes managing your projects in Asana a lot easier.